Okay. And then,
I don't want to sit down. I don't want to sit down. I don't have.
Why are you crying?
But she's at it again. He brings in numerous girls to the house. I am tired of it, Mama. I cannot take it any longer.
Oh, calm down. You have to endure. Keep on. Keep on. We don't have money to pay for the break where you did on March. What do you want me to do with the money? Where do you need the money? You can't see that I'm
tired. He brings in girls to the house every day. And not only that, he treats me like an outcast. I don't want to go back to the house again.
At a time like this, you have to endure. Remember that you willingly accepted to stay with him. To cover the shame in our family, people also. I don't want trouble. People can I am not going to come and talk to me. Yeah, come. Here, I will leave Hanuma. I don't talk about it. Think about it. If I have gone out from this place, I won't have my you won't have to leave.
Hey. Onny, get up. Get up and leave this room, please. Hello? Get up. Please go to the other room. Please.
Please,
Just leave. Go to the other room. What's the meaning of this now? Eh? What will I call this?
would you please allow me to sleep here, please? I want to sleep here tonight.
Why?
There's too much cold in the other room and I'm very scared. I cannot sleep there. Please, just let me sleep here. Come and lie down.
Hey, stop it. Please, don't touch me. Don't just touch me, please.
Buchi, what is the meaning of this? I am a woman and I've caught feelings. What wrong have I done trying to play my role as a wife?
You did everything wrong. You did everything wrong. Please, leave this room.
Buchi.
Leave here this minute. Don't stop!
Buchi, am I not your wife? Just let me feel.
Stop it. Did I pay your bride price? Eh? Did I customarily marry you? Did I? Listen to me, Onyechi. Just listen. Eh? You should be careful in this house. Mind the way you do things. Abide by the rules of this house, because very soon you'll be thrown out. Yes, very soon. Be careful. stop this now? Good. Stop this. Shift.
Is that what I told you? Is that what I told you? That was what happened. You thought I was joking, huh?
I don't believe you.
No. You thought I was joking.
I don't believe you. But for real, I don't believe you. Till I see.
Hey, woman.
Darling.
Woman, what are you doing here?
Darling.
I said, what are you doing here? It's a simple question.
Because I am sorry to disturb you. Please, I've come to beg. Buchi, because have mercy on me. I went to the police station to bail my son, Ositadema, but they refused. They said they can only bail him on your approval. Pico, have mercy on me. He's my only son.
Oh, now he's your only son. Well, Buchi here is an orphan. The only son. As a matter of fact, the only child. Did he not know that he was the only son when he planned with his team to steal what belongs to Buchi? Or does he not know that he was the only son when he stole the indemnity that was supposed to be given to him?
Buchi. Buchi, you are a kind man. I know you to be soft-hearted. Please, don't let anything happen to my brother, who happens to be your in-law. Biko. Oh? Buchi, Biko.
Hey, ayo. Eh? Aso yo.
My love.
Asabuchi.
My sweetheart.
Hey, I'm getting that day.
My purry.
Nigga.
Oh, baby.
Mama.
Baby.
Mama.
I missed you.
Mama, you see that thing I've been telling you. See that thing I've been telling you about him.
You get there. Nigga. Yeah? Mali changwa. Magai. I'll be inside, eh?
Have you forgotten why we are here? Go to check. Obiora one beacon. Oh, no, my yo. Okay. I just try to hide your leaf. Obiora beacon. Have mercy on me. Pity me. Okwana ajado kambo. Nobody ajado di kame. Please. I'm a widow, a poor one. I don't have anybody.
You see all the money and all the atrocities your son caused in this community. He will pay for all of them, one by one. Mark my words.
Consider us.
Get out.
No, Mayan, what is wrong with you?
Close the gate after you.
People consider
the act of this accident happened this week is very alarming. Do you know that? What happened? You remember that woman that came the other day? Do you know she had an accident and broke her leg?
Jesus.
There was an accident I myself witnessed in that same place. Almost everybody in the bus died.
God forbid, Barton.
Let me show you a picture. Hi. See. Let's see this one. See. is she going to? She one day. Oh my God, I wonder where Chibuzo brought this one from. God forbid. Okay. Chibuzo, just.
Chibuzo, you are a threat! That's what you are! Start talking to me right now! I said start talking!
What is it?
You're asking me what is it? What am I doing here?
Are you out of your
So
senses?
shut up and listen! You don't talk when I'm talking because you're black-hearted! You think I don't know? You think I wouldn't find out? I have found out how mean you could be! My name is not Ola. My name is Mwakego. I am from Obikabia community, not here. So tell me, what am I doing here?
This is definitely madness. It's madness and it's obvious.
Oh, please shut your silly stinking mouth. Shut that uncouth gutter you call a mouth. Why are you so black-hearted? Tell me. Chibuzo, why are you this mean? You took advantage of my post-traumatic stress disorder to feed me with herbs that will help desensitize me into some kind of deja vu hallucinations while you embellish your story with some kind of lies that I'm your wife. How could you? Answer me. How on earth could you? I can't even believe I slept with you. I can't believe I did that. How could you do that? How? Why are you so mean? Why are you so heartless? You've shattered my life. You don't even know what you've done to me. My God.
I am sorry. I will tell you the truth.
Oh God.
And that is it. I fell in love with you the moment I saw you. And I just wanted to keep you for myself. There was no other idea I could think of.
Just listen to yourself. Just listen to yourself. You are sorry. Is that all you have to say for what you've cost me? Do you think sorry can remedy this situation? Is that what you think? Is that what you think? How could you do that to me? You have said that my life. Get out of this. God will punish you. God will punish you. God will punish you.
What happened? How did she regain consciousness?
Mami Funanya, I don't know what to do again. Osita Dimma, my only son, has been in the police custody for 3 days now. Hey, I'm up for me.
What is Onyebuchi doing about this?
I don't know. Hey!
What are you going to do now? Can you hear me?
Onyegene, that one. He said that my son must be charged to court and go to jail.
Yeah.
Mami Funanya Neneno. You know that if that happens, a lot of secrets will be revealed against my family. What do I tell the women? Gini Kangagwa, the CWO women, the Christian women in the church.
What are you going to do? Can you hear me?
I don't know.
Hey.
Mama, sister! Mama, sister! Hey! What are we never end? On my way from the market, I saw your daughter.
Are you not supposed to see my daughter?
Walk here, go.
What's the meaning of this? No, what is going on?
I brought your food.
And how many times have I warned you to stop cooking for me? You want to poison me? Do you want to poison me? I'm talking, you're still dropping it.
Onyebuchi, I am your wife. Allow me to perform my wifely duties for you. Onna.
You're whose wife? Did I marry you? Did I pay your bride price? See, I'm allowing you to stay here just because I'm waiting for your people to bring the money I paid on Nwakego's head. And nothing more. In fact, your stay here is, I think, you've overstayed your welcome. You have to leave now. You've overstayed your welcome. You have to leave now. You want me to push you? You're not trying to poison Ebu. Silo.
Onyebuchi, calm down. Onyebuchi.
Come on.
After the goodbye, the driver took off on a very high speed that all the passengers' effort into talking to him to slow down went to a deaf ear. I never knew that goodbye was going to be our last goodbye. I realized was that the bus went into a forest. How I came out alive, how I survived it, is something I cannot tell. Can't explain.
Oh, I thank God that the love of my life is back and alive. Glory be to God.
My sister, wonder shall never cease to end in this our village. Do you know 1K go? 1K go now.
Okay, yes. I know 1K.
You know, everybody believed she was dead. But 1K go came back very much alive.
Are you serious?
You're asking me if I'm serious.
Wait a minute. You mean she's not dead after all?
Dead kwa?
Wait, or was it a ghost that you saw?
Ghost kwa? I said I saw her today with my 2 naked eyes. Ghost? Which ghost?
But I heard that Buchi, her supposed husband, to be used for money ritual.
Money ritual? Money ritual? She planned it with her mother. I heard it too. I heard it. I didn't say it. It's not me that said it now. I heard it. She planned it with her mother. That's why she went to her distant boyfriend's village. Because she don't want the marriage to hold. She don't want to get married to Buchi. But trust Buchi now. You know Buchi is a sharp guy. He requested for the money, but the family, the mother could not provide the money. He decided to marry Onny and his sister. So you see.
There's also somebody you don't see in this village.
My sister.
Don't worry. Are we not in this village? Let's continue watching now to see how I will get him. See.
I did not tell anything, no. Let's go.
You wanna cook you. Hey!
Onyinye, why are you so heartless? How could you do this to your own sister? You couldn't even wait to give me a befitting burial. I've always known you wanted my man. I never knew you were this desperate about having him.
I was only trying to save our family the shame of being humiliated.
Shut up.
You don't shut me up. It was not my fault. After all, he keeps bringing different types and sizes of girls to his house.
Hey, don't even go there. Don't even go there at all. See, I was doing all those things to get at you and your family for what you did to me. For your information, I never touched any of those girls. Yes.
Are you sure?
Alright, there is this very important reason we called you to here.
Go ahead and tell us.
Alright, fine. Here's the game, okay? I want you to pretend that you're dating him. Okay? I want you to be all over him. Okay? So he'll be inviting you over to his house at intervals, one after the other.
Okay.
See, whenever you see that girl called Onny, just act. Try and be all over me. You know, you try if the customer might anyhow, you're gonna touch me, do anything. Just pretend. Okay? Be all over me.
Just to act.
Is that all?
Yeah. I like that. Well, that's all. The whole idea of this whole plan is just to get her unhappy and make her feel jealous too.
You know, that girl has been a thorn on my flesh. I'm tired. So I was just looking for a simple way to get on her emotions. So just act.
You know what? You have nothing to worry about. I hope you will pay us handsomely.
Yeah, look at all over.
Well, don't worry, okay? Just do your job. You certainly be paid. But I want you to stay focused. Okay? And don't catch feelings.
Catch feelings, wow.
Yes.
Love it. Please, as long as you pay us.
I'll do it. It's business.
Business is business, my dear.
Okay then. So we're in business.
Deal.
Alright.
Eat meat.
Chibiko.
Hey, ayo. Eh? Aso yo.
My love.
Asabuchi.
My sweetheart.
Hey.
My purry.
Negudi.
Oh, baby.
Mama.
Baby.
Mama.
I missed you.
Mama, you see that thing I've been telling you. See that thing I've been telling you about him.
Get there. Negudi. Yeah? Mali changwa.
My guy. I'll be inside, eh?
Alright.
Okay. Time to stick to the real plan.
The real deal, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, baby. Oh, baby. Baby, you kiss so well. Oh, baby. Oh, baby, I love the way you're doing it. I love the way you're doing it, baby. Baby, you're kissing me so well. Oh, baby, take it easy, please.
No, my okay. I thought I had your leaf.
Oh, baby. Oh, you're riding me. Oh, baby, you did me so well. Baby, come on, kiss me, baby, kiss me, baby. Oh, baby, you're doing me so well. Baby, you're fucking me so hard. Oh, yeah. Oh, fuck. Oh, yeah. Slowly. Oh.
No, Maya, what is wrong with you?
Baby, you did me so well. Come on, kiss me, baby. Oh, baby, Oh, yeah. Come on, baby, kiss me more. Oh, baby, you're so tasty. Candy, oh, you're so sweet. Oh, baby, your lips are so tasty. Did you put chocolate on those lips?
My love, believe me, I never did anything with any of those girls. I only stage managed to get at your family for what they did to us.
I believe you, my love. And I'm so sorry for everything you went through because of me.
My children, Pikun, Onyinye Chukwu, come. Hey, Uchi, Rachael will be alright, Pikun. Forgive me. Forgive me for all I've done. I know I have wronged all of you. I was greedy and careless. Please forgive my actions. Pikun.
What matters to me now is that the love of my life is back. And back for good.
Obuzuru! What have you done? I told you to make sure my sister Nwakego does not return from her journey to Onitsha. I asked you to make her get involved in a ghastly motor accident that would cost her life.
Yes.
Then what happened? My sister is back, alive and healthy.
I did what you asked me to do. Yes! See, that your sister has a strong spirit.
And you?
And I don't know. But I did what you asked me to do.
And you? Of what use is your spirit? What are you doing here? Why did you decorate this place with black, red and white with this useless image? What are you doing here? Of what you to get rid of this girl. I told you to get rid of her. That I do not want to see her again. That I wanted her out of my way. But no. The little assignment I gave to you, you couldn't fulfill it. What happened? It's alright. Now, because of your incompetence, Buchi is leaving me. I have lost him to Wakego. And because of this singular act of yours, I will disgrace you in this village. I am going out there now to tell the villagers of your evil deeds in this kingdom.
So this is a threat? Is this a threat to Buzuru? Huh? Hey! 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 Hey!
Useless old man, deceiving nonsense!
Hey!
So you mean all these things happened?
I couldn't have cooked that up.
That man must seriously be punished.
I think we should just allow him to go with his evil desires.
My love, you're welcome. I thank God that you're alive today.
Well, in that case, this calls for celebration, okay? To crown it up, I'll call the DP at once to secure Sita's release.
Wow.
People do.
I guess something, so let's
Let me get out.
Mama, you need to follow me. You need to come with me. Every time that struck on Onny, she felt that calling Obuzuru's name. Yes, people should come with me. Where is Obuzuru? I don't know. People should follow me.
Let me get my card.
It's mad dog.
makana